Hi and welcome back to my channel. So I decided this week I was going to recover my ironing board. Mine was kind of getting stained, and since I own a mini one, their covers are very hard to find and I didn't want to pay $20 for one. I also didn't like the fact that my ironing board cover had a drawstring to hold it on. That thing just kept falling off. So I bought this teal fabric and some blanket batting. I took the original cover off my ironing board and used it to cut the pattern out. I did cut this out bigger than my original pattern because I'm going to be using elastic to hold it on. And here I'm just checking to make sure it's large enough to go onto my ironing board. I did go ahead and serge the edges of this teal fabric. Once that was done, I am cutting the batting out, but I'm cutting it out smaller than the teal fabric. I did double layer the batting, and here I'm just sewing both of those layers together. And here I'm just showing you that I serged the edges of the teal fabric. Now it's time to sandwich the batting in between the two teal pieces. I did do wrong sides to wrong sides on the teal pieces because I will not be flipping this out. And then I will be sewing along the batting, and I will be sewing all three pieces together. And once those three pieces are sewn together, I move over about a ½ inch and I sew another line of stitching to create my elastic channel. And the second line of stitching, I did leave an opening so I can weave my elastic through it. And once the elastic is through, I stitch the two pieces together and then I close the opening. And I do this for both sections of my ironing board, and I have a new cover. I think if I make it again, I'm going to actually sew the batting to the bottom part of the cover before I attach all three pieces together because it got a little warped. Other than that, I like my new ironing cover and it stays on my ironing board. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you next week. Bye!